Hello students, now I am going to discuss May-June 2024 paper 12 Cambridge A-Level Chemistry, May-June 2024 paper 12. Let's move. Number 1, which pair of formula is correct? Which formula is correct? Answer is C is the correct answer because silver is Ag plus hydrogen carbonate HCO3 -1. So silver hydrogen carbonate formula will be AgHCO3, and second one potassium phosphate. Potassium is K plus, phosphate is PO4 -3, valence is 3. So E potassium phosphate, so this formula, correct formula will be K3PO4. So C is the right answer. Why A is wrong? This silver carbonate, this right. Ammonium nitrate, this is wrong. Nitrate balance is 1, but here 3, wrong. Potassium hydrogen carbonate, this not too wrong. And zinc carbonate, this is right, but this ammonium phosphate is wrong because phosphate valence is 3. Next, how many molecules are present in 62 gram of solid white phosphorus? Phosphorus exists as P4. How many molecules? How many molecules? So number 2, how many molecules are present in 62 gram of solid white phosphorus? P4, phosphorus is 31 times 4. Molecular mass of P4 is 124. Now you see number of moles of P4, mass is given 62 gram, P4 mass 124. So moles 62 divided by 124, I mean half moles. Now number of molecules will be number of mole times Avogadro constant. So number of moles is half times Avogadro constant is L. So this answer will be L by 2. L by 2. How many molecules are present in 62 gram of solid white phosphorus? This answer will be L by 2 molecules. Now next, number 3, the first 8 successive ionization energies for 2 elements of period 3 of the periodic table are shown in the graph. This is the ionization energy, electron removed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the group 7. Group 7 period 3 element is chlorine, and ionization energy electron removed, that means 1, 2. Outer shell has 2 electrons, so group 2 is magnesium in period 3. So formula will be, what is the formula of the ionic compound formed from these elements? Magnesium chlorine to produce magnesium chloride. This is the answer. Next, number 4. In which pairs are both species free radicals? You know, free radicals means species which has one or more unpaired electron, that known as free radicals. So this is the 1 correct, 3 correct, 4 correct, 2 is wrong. Why? 1 is correct. You see chlorine, so chlorine 17, 3p5. So 3p5, 2, 4, 1 unpaired electron, and oxygen 8, 2p4, 1s to 2s to 2p4. So 2, there are 2 unpaired electrons. So this can, chlorine and oxygen can work as free radicals. Now 3, chlorine has one unpaired electron, and oxide ion, there are 7 electron. O minus, there are 9 electron. Oxygen has a electron, minus 1 means this will be electron 9, O minus. So this will be 2p5, this one pair, 1 unpaired electron. So 3 also right. Now why 4 also right? You see Cl plus means 16 electron, 1 electron less, so 16, 3p4, here 1 electron will be, so there are 2 unpaired electron. Cl plus also can work as free radical. Now O minus O plus 2, that means oxygen is 8, 2 plus means 2 electron less, so O plus 2, 6 electron. 6 electron will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. You know, p orbital, there are 3 orbital. So here 1 electron unpaired, second electron unpaired, 2 unpaired electron. So Cl plus, chlorine single plus, and oxygen plus 2 can works as free radicals. What is free radicals? Species which has one or more unpaired electron. So answer is A. Number 5. Which shape is correctly predicted by Bessemer theory? VACPR, balanced shell electron pair repulsion theory. So number of bonded electron pairs means number of bond pair of electrons, and number of lone pairs of electron. Number of lone pair, number of bond pair. So C is the right answer. Why? 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair. And you know, if there are 3 bond pair electron and 1 lone pair electron, shape will be pyramidal. Say ammonia, this shape is known as pyramidal. 2, 1 lone pair, 1 lone pair, and 1, 2, 3 bond pair. So this shape will be pyramidal shape. Now why A is wrong? Number of bond electron 2, number of lone pair no. This will be not linear, this will be non-linear. If 2 bond pair, 2 lone pair, shape will be non-linear. B, 2 lone pair, 2 bond pair, 2 lone pair, not tetrahedral. Tetrahedral when there are 4 bond pair electron only. So B also wrong. Why D is wrong? 3 bond pair of electron and 1 lone pair. Trigonal planar, no. Trigonal planar will be when there are 3 bond pair electron only. So A, B, D wrong. C is the correct answer. Now, number 6. In which species does the underlined atom have an incomplete outer shell? So, incomplete outer shell, this is the boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride, boron is group 3, so 3 fluorine atom. Boron is group 3, so there are 3 electrons in its outer shell. 1, 2, 3. So fluorine gives 1 electron. Boron, so 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Only boron has outer shell, has only 6 electrons. So this is incomplete. In which species does the underlying atom have an incomplete outer shell? Outer shell has 8 electrons. If outer shell has 8 electrons, that is the complete. So boron is incomplete, not complete, because there are 6 electrons. 2, 4, 6. Here carbon has 8 electrons. Oxygen also has 8 electrons. Here H3O plus also has 8 electrons. They are complete outer shell. Number 7. In this question, it should be assumed that nitrogen behave an ideal gas under this condition stated. Whose volume is occupied by 1 gram of nitrogen? Mass is given 1 gram. Temperature 50 degrees centigrade and pressure 120 kilopascal. So question is asking find out the volume. This answer will be, if you calculate, you will get answer the B, 0.799 dm cube volume will be. So how you solve it, you see. This is the number 7 answer. Ideal gas equation PV equal nRT. So V equal nRT by P. Now N is the number of mole. So number of mole, mass divided by molecular mass, nitrogen, 1 times 28, N2, 14 times 2, 28. You get mole. So I write here mole. R is constant, gas constant 8.31, T 50 degree centigrade. So this will be 50 plus 273, 323 Kelvin. I write here. P is 120 kilopascal. So 120 times 1000, 120,000 Pascal. If you calculate, you will get 0.007985 meter cube. So if you convert it dm cube, then you get 0.799 dm cube. This is the answer. So answer will be 0.799 dm cube. 9 dm cube. Now next, number 8. Consider the following 4 compounds. This 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the order of increasing boiling point of these compounds? Lowest first, lowest to highest. So number 1 will be lowest because this is a branch molecule and this is non-polar alkane. So number 1 will be lowest boiling point because this is a hydrocarbon non-polar molecule and branch molecule. branch molecule have lowest boiling point, and number 2 is the highest because oxygen alcohol form hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond containing compound has highest boiling point. Then number 3, this is the thiol. This is polar molecule. Sulfur is more electronegative than oxygen. Sulfur is more electronegative than hydrogen. So sulfur become partially negative, hydrogen become partially positive. This is dipole force. So 3. Then 4 is a straight molecule. So lowest boiling point 1 because it is a branch molecule. Then 1 to 4 is more boiling point because this is a straight molecule. A straight molecule has more contact point. More contact point means more boiling point. Then 3 is a polar molecule, dipole force present, and 2 is the highest boiling point because alcohol has hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding compound has most boiling point. Then next, number 9, ethane can react with fluorine to produce 1,2-difluoroethane. The ethane reacts with fluorine to form 1,2-difluoroethane plus hydrogen fluoride. So their bond is given and bond energy or bond enthalpy values are given. So you are asking what is the bond energy of CF bond? CF bond energy, how much you are asking in 1,2-difluoroethane. So if you write you see ethane fluorine, this is displayed formula of ethane, fluorine, difluoroethane plus hydrogen fluoride. Delta H, enthalpy of the reaction is given -960. So you know enthalpy delta H, change in enthalpy equal bond broken energy. Bond broken means in reactant bonds are break minus product bonds are formed. All bonds broken energy minus all bonds form energy, then you will get enthalpy of the reaction. Enthalpy of the reaction, bonds broken minus bond form. So delta is 350, carbon carbon bond, 1 bond 350 plus carbon hydrogen bond 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 410. Then you get fluorine bond, FF bond, 2 times 2 into 158, 2 into 158. This is the bond broken. Then minus bond form means product, minus 1 carbon carbon bond 350 minus CH bond 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 times 410 is given, minus 2 into CF. So CF bond is not given, you will have to calculate CF bond, minus 2 into CF bond, minus SF, 2 times SF bond value is given 562. So if you calculate, you will get CF bond enthalpy 486 kilojoule per mole. So answer will be C. That means simply enthalpy change of reaction, bond broken energy minus bond form energy. If you put values, you will get the bond enthalpy of CF. Now number 10, which equation has an enthalpy change equal to the standard enthalpy of formation of sodium oxide? Enthalpy of formation of sodium oxide. So, and you know what is enthalpy of formation? It is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of substance or 1 mole of compound is produced from their elements in their standard state. C is the right answer. Why? Sodium oxide, ionic compound, solid. Sodium oxide has sodium element and oxygen element. So sodium, 2 sodium, that's why 2 sodium atom, and sodium standard state is solid as it is metal, and here 1 oxygen atom. So if you write here O2, you have to write here half, and oxygen standard state is gas. So 1 mole of sodium oxide is produced from their elements, I mean sodium element and oxygen element. So enthalpy change equal to the standard enthalpy of formation of sodium oxide. C is the correct answer. Why? A is wrong. Here half mole. So enthalpy of formation always 1 mole. This is the wrong. Why B is wrong? Sodium oxide is this 1 mole, sodium solid. Here 2 oxygen, here 1 oxygen. So this is wrong. And D is wrong. Why? 2 mole of sodium oxide is formed. You know enthalpy of formation when 1 mole of compound or 1 mole of substance is formed from their elements in their standard state. Next, nitrogen dioxide reacts with water. Nitrogen dioxide reacts with water to form nitrous acid and nitric acid. Which statement about this reaction is correct? So B is the right answer. Nitrogen atoms undergo disproportionation reaction. And you know what is disproportionation reaction? Disproportionation reaction is a reaction in which a species is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. Disproportionation reaction is a reaction in which an element is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. An element at a time oxidized and reduced, same element. So you see here nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen oxidation number here +4. Here nitrous acid oxidation number is +3, and nitric acid oxidation number is +5. So why this is disproportionation reaction? Nitrogen atoms +4 to go +3, so nitrogen atom is reduced, and same time nitrogen dioxide oxidized to nitric acid, I mean nitrogen +4 to +5. So oxidation number of nitrogen first time increase and then decrease. Here +4 to +3 oxidation number of nitrogen reduced, and +4 to +5 oxidation number of nitrogen increased, so oxidized. Same element, I mean nitrogen, simultaneously oxidized and reduced. That's why this is a disproportionation reaction. So nitrogen atoms undergo disproportionation reaction. Why is wrong? Both products are formed because oxygen atoms gain electron. No, this is wrong. The oxidation number of hydrogen increase. No, hydrogen here +1, here also +1, here +1. No increase or decrease. Water acts as an oxidizing agent. No, this is wrong. B is the right answer. Thank you.